Today's tip is to show you how to fold a fat quarter into this cute triangle, which can be assembled into several fat quarters, making a really nice gift, or you can just give away the fat quarter as is in this triangular shape. The first thing we do with our fat quarter is lay it out on your cutting mat with the selvage edge on the left side. Now that is the 18-inch edge. We have the longer edge across the bottom. The 18-inch edge, half of that is 9 inches, so I have marked with my painter's tape my 9-inch mark. I know I fold up to that edge. The first thing we want to do is fold our cut edges in to the center, to that marked line. So I'm going to fold up to this edge, and then the top edge is going to meet that. So now we have it folded one time. Our second fold is going to be in half, where we are going to meet those two folded edges. Now you don't need to press it. If you just fold it down, it'll hold its place. Now I am going to turn it so that the selvage edge is toward me. Here's that selvage edge right down here. Place your finger in the corner and you're going to fold. It doesn't have to be perfect, but what you want is this corner to be somewhere in the middle. So holding this down keeps it from flopping. Hold it down, somewhere pretty much in the middle. You can see where that is. Now this is the first fold that's the most important. You're going to fold so that the fold here that you just created is going to meet those two edges. So we are going to fold this direction and they are going to meet. Now it doesn't matter if that point isn't perfect, it doesn't need to be. This point you want to look pretty good. This isn't going to show, it doesn't matter. So here we go, our first fold. And then it goes really fast. All you're going to do is just flip fold it over, kind of like you'd fold a flag. 1, 2. Each time you fold, you want to make sure that you're not getting off. You want it here because you want that triangle to stay nice. Same thing here. You don't want that to get folded up and have some tucks in there. You want to match all of your edges. Now, you're almost to the end here, and it looks like you can probably get one more fold out of it, and you probably can, but what I do is turn it so that that raw edge is toward me, and now I'm going to make this fold where this double edge is going to meet that fold we've been creating. Now we've got this fun point. This is going to fit inside of here. It's kind of hard to get that little point all the way down, so what I do is I just fold it up just about that much, and then you're going to put it inside that top fold. So hold it down and just tuck it in, and look at that, super easy, so cute. And then you can stack them up. It's cute just giving it away like this, and it looks so much better than giving it away with all those raw edges showing and uneven edges. This evens everything up and it looks so perfect and it's so cute. This kind of thing, I am always trying to be joyful, but it really and truly makes me very merry. Thank you for watching.